Hello viewers, welcome to Tech Team. Today I will show you how to add rules to your Discord server. Go to your Discord, then go to the server you want to add rule. Then click server name. Go to server setting. From the left click rules. Then click create rule. Now write the name of that rule. You can add color to that rule. Then click save change. Now you can add permission to that rule. Click permission from the top. You can see there are many permissions. You can add them. You can also search permission like mute member, ban member, then click there to have the permission. Now click manage member from the top. From there you can add member to that rule. Click add member, then click the member you want to add, then click add. Now this member has the permission of that rule. That's all. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you.